AppSumo has launched 6 new deals this week, so I'm going to tell you what they are in this video. Now, if you want to know my personal rankings according to which of this week's new tools are really catching my eye and I think worth buying, I put my official rankings down in the description below. Now, if you are on the hunt for the best software you can use to grow your business, I have my private Notion doc of my must-have SaaS tools for digital entrepreneurs. Now, if you want this spreadsheet for free, the only way you can grab access is by clicking the link down in the description below. Agency Handy helps you run your agency by handling client orders, projects, and payments. You can set up service packages, make custom forms, and break down orders into tasks for your team. It also lets you track files, time, even invoices, and also manage client issues with a ticketing system. So I think the goal of this tool is to save you time and keep everything running smoother with your clients. Now, you can grab Agency Handy as a lifetime deal starting at $69 for license tier 1. Now, unfortunately, tier 1 and even tier 2 are pretty limited. You don't get any workspaces or custom emails. If you want those, you would need to get tier 3 or higher. And the same goes for the custom email white labeling and also the custom domain. Those features will unlock if you go for tier 3 or higher, and the highest tier you can grab is tier 5. CloudFilt is a tool that keeps bots from messing with your website or app. It checks both the front and back ends to spot things like fake signups, scraping, spam, and other automated attacks. You can set it up on WordPress, Magento, Drupal even, and a bunch of other platforms as you could see right here. So with this tool, you basically spend less time dealing with fake traffic and all of those headaches that might come with those bots crawling your site. Now, this tool is available for AppSumo Plus members only for the next 4 days. Now, you can grab one code starting at $49, and you could use it for up to 5 websites. And if you want to use it for more websites, and if you want to increase your total requests per month per site, you can stack up to 5 codes. But regardless of how many codes you get, you will get access to all of the features listed out in this deal. Pismo is an app that helps you write, edit, and translate text on your Mac or PC. You can fix grammar, change the tone, even make your text longer or shorter, and also translate your text into different languages. Now, since this is a desktop app, it works basically everywhere. So you could use this when you are writing your emails, editing any Word documents, messengers, and other tools on your computer. So you can toggle it on using hotkeys, and you can create and use custom prompts. So this tool basically saves you time and lets you write better stuff for all of your work. You can choose between 2 tiers. Tier 1 gives you 5,000 requests per month. And if you want unlimited requests, you can go for tier 2. Stat Proxies is a service that gives you different types of proxy IP addresses for things like web scraping, automation, and data collection. You can pick from data center, residential, or event-focused proxies, and they have special ones for solving CAPTCHAs too. They also let you keep the same IP every month if you need it, and their system is built for fast, reliable connections. So this basically means you can grab large amounts of data or automate stuff online without hitting any annoying roadblocks. Now, this deal is only for annual access, and you can choose between 3 tiers. So if you want more proxies per month, then you can go for a higher tier. Tier 1 gives you 10 proxies per month, and the highest tier gives you 50. WbizTool lets you send WhatsApp messages to your customers straight from your own number. You can set up automated reminders, check which numbers are active, and manage your groups or contacts using Excel. It also connects with Shopify and Zapier, so you can connect it with other tools that you have as well. This way, you can keep in touch with customers and handle messaging tasks much faster. You can grab lifetime access starting at $59 for Tier 1. It gives you 3,000 messages per month. and one WhatsApp account. Now you don't have the QR code API and group messaging is not supported. So if you want those, then you would need to get tier 2. And when it comes to number verifications and group members exportability, you would need to get tier 3 or higher. ZenStream lets you stream live video to lots of viewers on your own website or app. You can run several streams at the same time, record live sessions automatically, and let people chat while they are watching. It also works with common tools like OBS, and you get ways to control who can watch your streams. So this tool makes it easier for you to set up events or classes and keep everything organized. Lifetime access starts at $79, and you do get all of the features even with tier 1, but if you want higher limits, then you can go for tier 2 or 3. I ranked these 6 deals according to which ones are really catching my eye and I think worth buying. So if you want my personal rankings, you can check that down in the description below.